This is incredible. Now you could run latest LLM by Meta AI called Llama 3.2 right on your local machine. You could try different use cases and sky is the limit. I will tell you how to do it in a step-by-step approach in this video. Hello all, my name is Talha Gillani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, Meta recently launched Llama 3.2 in several flavors. One category is text-only models, other is multi-model which supports vision capabilities. I'll add this blog's link in video's description. In today's video, we will be installing text-only 1 billion parameter model locally on our machine so we can get hands-on experience with AI, all private, secure on our machine. Let's get started. So the first tool that we will install is called Olama. It basically allows us to load multiple AI models locally on our machine and acts as a server where we can send our prompts or requests to the model and get an output. So after our installation is complete, we'll double check by running Olama on the terminal. Perfect. Next tool that we will install is Docker. Now this tool has many layers to it, but for now, think of it as a prerequisite that will help us spin up the front end. So here we'll click the download Docker desktop. I have an Intel Mac, so I'll click here. So Docker has been downloaded. We'll drag and drop to the applications. Now we'll search and run the Docker. Docker is installed. Next, we will load up the front end called Open WebUI. This tool acts as a UI like ChatGPT, which will interact with our Llama model. We'll copy paste this command and run it in our terminal. Okay, so front end has been loaded. Here we can see that it is running on host machine at 3000 port. 3000. Here we'll sign up. Okay, great. So the front end has been loaded. Now the only thing left is our model. We will download our Llama model using Olama. So here we will go to the models. We will select Llama 3.2. So I have a 2019 MacBook Pro with 4 GB VRAM of GPU. So I think 1 billion parameter would be good enough. Based on your system requirements, you could go to view more and decrease the size of the model based on your system requirements. Now obviously when you decrease the size and the bits, the accuracy gets affected. So we'll just copy paste this command and run it here. Now it will download the model on our machine. So here we can see that the model is downloaded. So here now if we go to the drop down, we have the downloaded model. We'll select it. Okay, now we can prompt it like we do in ChatGPT. This prompt. So it's about asking to give some recipes which are cheap and good enough with all the details. So let's check it out. Okay, so it gave answers in detail and it is amazing that all of this is running inside our local machine and we can run it without internet and everything will remain within our machine. So this is amazing. So let's give it a different prompt, like for example summarization. We could give it a text of, let's suppose, a document or a transcript of any text like a meeting or YouTube video or anything else, and let's try to give it and ask it to summarize it. So we'll just copy paste the transcript text and we'll ask it to summarize. YouTube video. Okay, so it completed the summarization. As you could see that this is not bad actually. So like sky is the limit with the amount of use cases that you could practice with it without being scared or having concerns regarding your data going outside of your machine, and you could play around with it. It's all on your local machine. So that was it for today's video. All of the links are in the video's description. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.